Hello and welcome to Chicken Tuesday. Well, it's been a couple of weeks now since I reported that Edith wasn't very well, or certainly she wasn't acting very well. So I thought it was about time I gave you an update on where we are now with her. Brr. Morning, girls. It's very cold. Come on then. Come on. Oh, come on, Edith. Come on, baby. Oh, I know it's cold. Out you come. You're causing a roadblock. Come on. Oh, you don't want to. I don't blame you, right, if it's freezing. Come on, before Beryl eats all the good nosh. Are you the same? I don't blame. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, the girls aren't for coming out today. It's freezing. Come on, girls. Beryl, however, has found the treats. Come on. Come on, Hamble. You can do it. Ah, there we go. Come on. Come on. Yes, it's cold, I know. Cold on your tootsies. Come on. Ah, here's Edith now. Come on, darling. Oh, it's cold. Come on. Are you eating all the good nosh? Come on. Good girls. Oh. Come on, Bambles. That's it. Is it cold in your tootsies? Come on. There you go, Edith. So Edith still is exhibiting some weird walking and crouching, but I would say that it's less. And she's eating with gusto now, actually. Her feathers are still coming through. You can probably see there's little pin feathers just at her shoulder there and that are visible, and on her head. And there's lots more underneath the feathers that aren't quite visible unless you take a closer look. But, you know, they're coming through, and hopefully once they come through fully, she will be feeling a lot better. There's a feather hanging out on the right hand side there. So there's still, oh, there it is out. Come on, darling. So there's still feathers, the odd feather coming out, but mostly we're just waiting on them coming back in. But she is a bit scraggy. A wee bit of a state, aren't you, darling? It doesn't help that it is freezing. It must have been about -4 again last night. And the ground's cold and hard. So actually yesterday we gave them lots of opportunities to come out into the garden, and they came out just briefly and went back into their their run where there's, you know, softwood chip. And I think that's probably what they're going to want to do today. Eh? Hello you. Hello darling. Oh baby, that's an awful crouch. I think actually the cold weather is getting to her, getting to the places that feathers usually are, and that's making her crouch a wee bit worse there. Oh, darlings. But they're back in here. And she's happier with it, aren't you? Need to clean you out. Hello. Where are we all? Oh, there's Edith. Hi Edith. Oh, that's much better. Good girl. Come on, let me go. There's Matilda. Come on, Matilda. Come on. Tuk tuk. That's you. Hello, Edith. So I'm really, really pleased with Edith's progress. She is walking mostly quite well, the odd little crouch or high step or whatever. I do think it's definitely been to do with the molt. and I'm pretty sure it's more a psychological thing rather than a physical thing. I think it's been the pain and the unusual feeling of the feathers coming through, and also you know, the fact that a lot of feathers were missing and the ear was getting to bits of Edith that ear had never got to before. So I'm pretty confident that's been the case. I have, of course, I went through what the vet suggested, so I wormed them all. As you saw in my last Chicken Tuesday video, they weren't that impressed, but they were very well behaved, so they were all wormed again. And I have, you know, a lot, even before Edith was acting weird, I had upped the protein in their diet, because protein will help them to develop the feathers. And I also gave Nutri-Drops, which is a type of vitamin supplement for chickens. I gave a course of 3 Nutri-Drops to Edith. And yeah, I've just been keeping an eye, and I think we're definitely moving in the right direction, and I hope that it won't be long before she's starting to act normally again. So thank you very, very much for watching. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to follow me in my chicken keeping, quail keeping and gardening journey. And if you want to be alerted anytime I post a new video, click on the little bell. For now though, thanks for watching. Bye bye.